Hello everybody. In this video we're going to look at ellipse and polygon and polyline. Let's start with an ellipse. So ellipse is a shape like this. It's just a circle which is stretched in horizontal direction. So ellipses have two radii. The first one is going to be the radius y, it's like vertical radius, and the second radius is going to be radius x. And it also has a property called center x and center y, right in the middle of the ellipse, and this is one of the constructors of ellipse, where we specify the center x coordinate, center y coordinate, radius x and radius y. Let's look at our code. So in the code we have one ellipse inside the loop, which runs 16 times. We create the ellipse at 150 and 100. Its radius x is going to be 100 and radius y is going to be 50. So you can think of this ellipse's length or width in total is going to be 200 pixels and height in total is going to be 100 pixels. And then we set the stroke for the ellipse to some random color. We fill that ellipse with white color and then we rotate it. Each time we add the new ellipse, its rotation is going to be bigger and bigger and bigger. And then we add this ellipse to our pane and then show this pane on the scene. Let's run this example to see the result. This is the result of our program. So you can see 16 ellipses here. All of them have different stroke color, and all of them are rotated like this. You can draw more and more ellipses, and it's gonna go like in a spiral kind of fashion. Let's look at the polygon. So there are two types of poly objects. Polygon is an object, is a shape that contains of different multiple points of x that have x and y coordinates. When you have these points, the polygon automatically joins and closes your shape. Polyline, on the other hand, when you specify these points one by one, it's not going to close this shape. So it's going to be like a hollow, and this is going to be closed. Let's look at an example. Here in this example we have one polygon. We add this polygon directly under the pane, and then we fill the polygon with green color, set the stroke to orange, and set stroke with the 10 pixels. So it's going to be very white orange colored stroke. Then we create an observable list. This is like an array list that contains doubles. And the reference of this array list is going to point to the points of the polygon. And when we change this array list or observable list, it's also going to change the points. Basically, we get the reference to the polygon's points. And we can add points like here. We're adding points one by one. So the first point is going to be, the first number is going to be x coordinate, the second number is going to be y coordinate of the first point. The next pair is going to be the x and y coordinates of the second point, x and y coordinates of the third point, x and y coordinates of the fourth point. Let's run and see the result. This is the result of our program. So this is point 100, 100. 100 pixels from left and 100 pixels from top. This is 200 and 100. 200 pixels from left and 100 pixels from top. This is 200, 200, 200, 200, and this is 100, 200. Alright, so this is our polygon. It very much looks like the logo of Google Classroom. Now let's change this to Polyline and see the difference. And this is the result of our program. Here we see the same 4 points, but the first point and the last point are not joined with a line. This is the difference of polygon and polyline. All the other things are the same for polygon and polyline. Alright, thank you guys for your attention. See you guys in the next video.